Hi everyone, I am Shaukat from Kerala. Today I am going to talk about diary writing habit for English learners because we are English learners. If we keep diary writing habit in our life, it is very good for English learners because if we keep diary writing habit, we can write all the learning process in our diary. For example, we can write in our diary how many people with we speak yesterday. We can write I, I spoke four people yesterday and I read one story three times yesterday and I watched a conversation video three times and today I want practice two three people with I want to do speaking practice two three people with and I want read English content and I want watch any English video and we can narrate in our diary future things also. I will speak English very fluently within 1 year. I will speak English very fluently within 6 months, or I will do this, I will do that. This kind of everything we can write in our diary. That time we get, we can understand past sentences, present sentences, and future sentences also. Because most of the time, when the people speak English, that time people make this kind of mistake. If we keep diary writing habit, we can reduce this mistake because when we start to write, that time we think more. But when we interact with other people, that time we can't think because speaking process already going on. But when we write diary, that time we can think more because we don't need to take very rush. That's why diary writing, if we keep diary writing habit, it is very good for English learners. So many people they do this strategy, diary writing strategy, but if you want to start, you can also start. And because we can understand sentence structure and past tense sentences, present tense sentences, future tense sentences, everything we can understand if we keep diary writing habit. That's why if you keep diary writing habit, it is very good for your fluency. You will get more fluency if you keep diary writing habit in your life. I have been keeping diary writing habit for a long time, but in my diary writing habit going on and off level because sometimes I don't get time to write diary. That's why. But but otherwise I do. I have been keeping listening, speaking, and reading practice consistently. But diary writing habit I can't keep consistently, but I will also start to keep consistently this practice also. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.